One of the most important pieces of gear for photographers, videographers, and creators, in my opinion, is the external hard drive. I think it's so important because all of the work that you do needs to be saved somewhere. So if you have a hard drive that is going to fail on you, then you lose everything. Everything goes to shambles. I've owned a couple different type of hard drives. I've owned Western Digital hard drives like my passports. Nope, not that one. Yeah. That's it. I have also owned some Seagate hard drives, and while some of them have just ticked out on me, others have broken due to my clumsiness. Enter the Lacie rugged external hard drive.
Currently I have 3 Lacie hard drives, 2 portable rugged hard drives for traveling and daily use, and the hard drive called the 2 Big Dock that stores everything I have and is my head honcho of a hard drive.
I know what you're thinking, this must be a sponsored video for how much I'm praising the company, but to be honest, I just love the product. Here's what I like about them. First and foremost, they are extremely durable. The Lacie rugged hard drive is shock resistant up to 4 feet, and they also boast the fact that they're rain resistant and dust proof or dust resistant. I haven't tested the last two, and I probably won't, but just the shock resistant quality is enough for me. Second, I have never had an issue with speed with it. It is able to handle me converting to proxy files. It's able to handle me editing all my 4K footage. It seems to be extremely quick. Third, I am a sucker for this orange grip that they have over it. I think orange is the ugliest color out of all the colors, but when I have this grip on and I set it on my Mac and I accidentally bump it or push it off, it doesn't slide off. It's the same with tables. If I have the hard drive on a table, I happen to push it a little bit, it stays static because of that rubber grip. Basically, they are the perfect external hard drive if you're going to be on the go, if you're going to be traveling especially. You can just throw them in your backpack and not worry about them getting rumbled around or smashed or crushed. They are durable, they are reliable, and they are efficient. Do me a favor, and if this video helped you out, make sure to press the thumbs up button. Shoot me a comment below, let me know what you want to have reviewed next, what tips you would like to learn, anything. I'm all ears. Have a great day, guys.